Hey guys, congratulations on buying yourself a Redmi Note 10 smartphone. I've already unboxed and reviewed this phone in my previous video, but I won't be an honest person if I left you guys in the dark. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks that will enable you to use your Redmi Note 10 to the best of its functionality, more like to make it much more user friendly for your own use. What's up guys, welcome back to Blaze channel for phone reviews, tech and ICT gadgets. So basically a tips and tricks video will just help you customize your phone to be more user friendly and make you enjoy your phone's experience. Also at the end of this video I'm going to be giving you some tips that will enable you to prolong your phone's lifespan, like what to do with your charger, get a phone case or not. So stay to the end of this video as it's going to be very important. So the first tip we're going to start with is the always on display. So to enable your always on display, first thing you need to do is to swipe from the right as usual. Go to your phone settings. While you're here, you just need to go down a little bit and you see always on display and lock screen. Tap on it and up there you can just tap on it and enable always on display. Then you can select any one of your choice, this or anyone. You also have the option of putting an image yourself. So I'm just going to select this one to show you how it is really quickly. And I will click apply. So you can see it lights up on its own with the always on display. So the next feature we're going to be exploring is the double tap to wake feature. So as usual in your settings, you go to the same always on display and lock screen, and when you go down a bit, you're going to see raise to wake with the switch here. You just enable it and double tap to wake, and once you double tap on the screen it wakes, so it makes your phone very easy to use instead of having to touch the home button itself. So the next feature is battery notification. So all you need to do is to come to notifications and control center here, and while you're here you see status bar below. Just tap on it and then you see battery indicator. When you tap on side, so I prefer my battery percentage inside, so I'm just going to select it and it's done. And you can see your phone battery percentage is inside. So when you first get your Redmi Note 10, your system navigation is going to be on buttons and it's not cool. This is 2021. So all you need to do is to go to your home screen here, then you go to system navigations and you can enable gestures. Once you enable gestures, to give you a crash course on how to use your gestures. You can swipe from the bottom to remove the app. You swipe and hold to remove recent apps. And then basically from inside any app, you just swipe from the side to close it. So for the gamers, it's our time. I'm going to show you how to add your games to your Game Turbo. For Game Turbo, you just go to your settings, swipe down a bit. You'll see a place written special features under digital well-being here. Tap on special features. You just click on Game Turbo and you can add any game here from your phone. So that's just basic. And now for screenshots, all you have to do is to tap the lower volume button and the power button at the same time, and you've taken yourself a screenshot. If you want to scroll the screenshot down to get more content, you just have to tap scroll. So for your app locks, you just go to your settings as usual, scroll down to apps, tap on apps, and you see app lock at the bottom here. You just select it and then you can choose the number of apps. You just click turn on and then you set your pattern for it and then you choose the apps you want it to go for. So for your quick ball function, all you need to do is to go to additional settings and you can see quick ball over here. You just tap on it and you can enable it. It's similar to Apple's iOS assistive touch. When you touch it, you just see your tools, your flashlight and everything here. It's a nice feature. So for your app drawer in your home screen, you just tap on home screen here. You can see home screen again, and then you have classic and with app drawer. App drawer is mostly preferred by plenty people, so you just tap app drawer here and you can see that when you swipe up you have your app drawer. Please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button down there. Let me also know what you think about this tips and tricks video in the comments. Happy Children's Day to those of you that are in Nigeria here. This screen recording audio function is very important because the phone doesn't actually explain how you should enable surrounding audio for your screen recording. Need to do is to swipe down as usual, then draw this down, and then you see your screen recording here. Tap and hold so that you open your recorder. Then you tap the settings of your screen recorder, and over here you can see sound source. When you tap sound source, you can now choose either mute for your screen recording, microphone, or system sound. For your video toolbox feature, I'm sure most of you don't know what it means. All you need to do is to come to your special features over here, tap on your special features, and go to your video toolbox. You can enable it and disable. When you enable, don't forget to also enable the shortcut so that it can come out. And I'll show you what the video toolbox does now. So say I want to watch a video. Once you start watching the video, a panel will come up here by the left side, so that once you swipe you can see some of your tools for watching your videos. You can see your record, your screenshot, your cast. Very nice. So one of the last but not the least is the floating window function. It's very beautiful because you can just use your phone apps in the background. Like, don't worry, I'll just show you what it means. So you just go to your recent apps, you tap and hold on any app, and you can just see the floating window function here. It's not enabled for your settings, but is enabled for your gallery. The floating window function is enabled for certain compulsory apps like your gallery, your phone, and your social media apps. When you want to draw the floating window to full size, all you need to do is to draw from the bottom, and you see it comes here. You can also move the floating window around as much as you want, and it's very convenient. So I have to tell you guys, I've been using the Redmi Note 10 for about 2 weeks now, and I'm so much falling in love with this phone. Even my friends really love this particular phone.
So for today's tip on care of your phone, guys, I'm going to be talking about charging. As you can see, the Redmi Note 10 has a very beautiful charging animation. It's very awesome. Don't use your phone until the battery goes very low to below 10%. It kills and reduces your battery's life. So what I'm simply saying is that when your phone is not up to 10%, you don't need to charge it. Just make sure that you use your phone till it's about 20% before you charge it, and don't let it go below that on a regular basis. It's very bad for your battery. When your phone charges up to 100%, it's very important that you unplug it so that you don't keep adding more charge to the battery. At a point, your phone battery may begin to swell and then it will lose its efficiency. So that's today's tip on your phone battery. So that's all for today, guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also leave your comments to help me know what you think about my video. Thank you very much. You'll be very supportive.